I got delivery of my new phone, iPhone 14 Pro Max.
Welcome to a shape-shifting, multitasking, head-turning, game-changing iPhone experience. Yes, Apple picking started now. This is the latest iPhone 14 Pro Max, launched on 7th September 2022. Pre-booking started from 9th September and available from 16th September today. Even I ordered one and it got delivered today on 16th September. In this model, Apple introduced the Dynamic Island, a magical new way to interact with iPhone. Groundbreaking safety features designed to save lives. And an innovative 48 megapixel camera for mind blowing detail. All powered with the ultimate smartphone A16 Bionic chip. In this video, you are going to see the unboxing and first impression of iPhone 14 Pro Max.
I got delivery of my new phone, iPhone 14 Pro Max. So I will unbox now without wasting time. Peeling the ribs. 2 ribs. The box is almost similar to the older version. Now I am opening the box. This is the 14 Pro Max. I opted for the new color, deep purple. Looking very nice. I have my old phone 12 Pro. You can see the difference. See the difference of the camera. Camera is very huge, very big. And this is the iPhone 7. See the difference? Now I am peeling the cover. Wow. So I think the look wise it is all same to the previous versions. It is bigger because it is Pro Max. Let me switch on. It is showing the initial setup. Selected English, USA. Just trying to connect the Wi-Fi. It is saying it will take few minutes to set up. By the time I will show you the box, what all the items included in the box. As usual, we have only the cable, no charger. And this looks like the sticker and documentation. That's all. You can see the difference between these three. This is 7, this is 12 Pro, and this is 14 Pro Max. Setting up the Face ID. So setup is done. The new version in US, we don't have the SIM tray. It is eSIM. So I need to contact AT&T for activating the eSIM in this mobile. So this is the new feature. You can see this. This is the Dynamic Island. Wow. It is super bright. The clarity of the screen is awesome. We can't compare with any of the previous version. So this is having more brightness. It is very fast. I need to check the camera. Selfie is improved a bit due to the autofocus and other functionality, but the camera pixels has not changed. It is still 12 MP. There are so many other features added to the camera. Front camera is almost same, but low light performance and also the brightness and the autofocus, everything improved a lot. Now shooting with 48 megapixel front camera. It is really good. You can feel the difference. So the camera is extremely awesome. In the upcoming episodes, you can experience a better clarity video from Tint and Travel with iPhone 14 Pro Max. With this, I'm ending this short episode here. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.